Here, what is a rational number? See here also. What is a rational number? What is an irrational number? From number systems I'm telling 9th class. What is a rational number? What is irrational number? Anything which we can write in p by q form is called rational number. Anything which we cannot write in p by q form is irrational number. Suppose if I say 2.3, is it rational or irrational? It is a rational number because we can write it as 23 by 10. It is a rational number. Same thing, if I say 2.3 bar, is it rational or irrational? Huh? No, it is also rational because 2.3 bar I was teaching you yesterday how to do in P by Q form. Suppose same 2.3452 like this, like this, like this. What is an irrational number means, sir? Irrational number is seriously non-terminating, it will never stop. Non-terminating and non-repeating, it won't repeat. If it repeats, it is a rational number again. If it is non-terminating, means it dots will come like this, and non-repeating, then it is called a rational number. And whichever is terminating or repeating is rational number. So children, in last classes I told you how to find out p by q form of 2.3 bar, how to find out p by q form of 2.34 bar, like this, all these things. These are rational numbers which are terminating. 2.3, if I write, it is a rational number. 2.342132 non-terminating and non-repeating. They are called non-terminating and non-repeating are called irrational numbers. Non-terminating and non-repeating are called irrational numbers. Okay, children? Now, question will come like this. Insert 5 rational numbers. Insert 5 rational numbers between 2.3 and 2.4. Insert 5 rational numbers between 2.3 and 2.4. How do you do, children? 2.3 and 2.4. 2.31 is a rational number. 2.32 is a rational number. 2.23, sorry, 33, 2.34, 2.35, 2.36, 2.37, 2.38, 2.39, 2.40. But they ask for only 5. Any 5 you can write among this. Any 5 you can write. No, sometimes they also ask question like this. Insert 5 rational numbers between, insert 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Insert 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4. Okay, after 2 by 3 we have 3 by 3, then 4 by 3. Only we can insert one rational number if you want. No sir, I want 5 rational numbers, means what we should do? What we should do, multiply this with 10, this with 10, this with 10, this with 10. If you multiply with 10, 20 by 30, this with 10, this with 10, 40 by 30. Now between 20 and 40, how many numbers are there? So many are there. 21 by 30 is there, 22 by 30 is there, 23 by 30 is there, 24 by 30 is there, up to 39 by 40. So many rational numbers we can insert. Are you able to understand? So many rational numbers we can insert. Children try to understand. Okay, one more question, those who did not understand. Insert 5 rational numbers. Children, are you able to see? Yes, can anyone reply? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Insert 5 rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 7 by 6. Between 5 by 6 and 7 by 6, only 6 by 6 is there. We can't write. Then what we should do at that time, multiply all of them with 10. All of them with 10. Then between 50 and 70, how many numbers are there? 51 by 60, 52 by 60, up to 69 by 60. So many are there like this. This is easy. This is easy. Like this sometimes they ask. Insert 5 rational numbers between, insert 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Like this, when they give, what you should do? You should take the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12.
12.
3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12, nothing is there. Now multiply both sides with 10. 80 by 120, 90 by 120. Now 5 rational numbers are enough. How many are there? We have 81 by 120, 82 by 120, 83 by 120, so on up to 89 by 120. So many are there. You are able to understand? So children, next, like this also they will say, insert 5 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. What we will do? We will take the LCM of 4 and 6. What is the 4 and 6 LCM? 12, 12. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Between 9 and 10, how many numbers are there? No numbers. When no numbers are there, what we will do? Multiply with 10. 90 by 120, 100 by 120. Between 90 and 100, how many numbers are there? So many are there. 91 by 120, 92 by 120, 93 by 120, 99 by 120. So many numbers are there. Sometimes question also will come like this. Insert 2 rational numbers. Insert 2 rational numbers between 2.333 so on, 2.4567 so on. Like something they will ask like this. These both are irrational numbers. These both are irrational numbers. Between irrational numbers, he wants rational numbers. These both are irrational. Between irrational numbers, he wants rational numbers. What will we do? Let it be irrational only, no problem. It is between 2.3 and 2.4 is asking. If you put dots, it is irrational. If you don't put dots, it is rational. So 2.34 is there, and here 2.45 is there. So 3, 4, 6 up to 4, 5, 6 up to. So after this, some rational numbers you want. 3, 4, 7 you can write. 2.348 you can write. 2.349 you can write, and so on. So many you can write, but don't put dots. If you put dots, again it is irrational number. We want rational numbers. Find some rational numbers between 2 irrational numbers. Like this, 4 varieties I told in inserting. One is between decimals. One is between like fractions. But one is between unlike fractions. One is between 2 irrationals inserting rationals. One is between decimals. One is between 2 like fractions. One is between 2 unlike fractions. And one is between 2 irrational numbers. I want a rational number. These both are rational numbers. Between 2 rational numbers, putting rational number is easy. But between 2 irrational numbers, putting rational number is, you should have common sense that we should not put these dots. If you put dots, irrational. If you don't put dots, it is a rational. So children, basing on this questions in description, I will give some sums in this video. Description, I will give some sums. Try to do as a worksheet, children. You can practice these sums, children. I am giving now. You please practice all of you these sums, children. Please note down first, because I will erase the board. I will take signs. Please take them, copy down. Insert 5 rational numbers between. I am giving some questions. All of you please copy down. 3.4 and 5.3. Second question. 3.45 and 3.46. Third question. 4.51 and 4.53. Fourth question. 2 by 3 and 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Okay, 5 by 3 and 6 by 7. 2 by 3 and 1 by 8. Insert all rational numbers only, children. Tomorrow I will say irrational numbers. Today all rational numbers only. 2.345 so on, so on, so on, and 3.4567 so on, so on, so on. Okay, between 2 irrationals also I want rational numbers. Next, 3.4521 so on, so on, and 4.5672 so on, so on, so on. Okay, children. So many questions I will keep on adding in the description. How many you want practice, you can practice that many sums children. I will be giving in this video description some numericals I will give. That numericals you can practice basing on this sums children. 3.621 so on so on so on so on means irrational. 4.532 so irrational. This all is your worksheet, and apart from this I gave here only 11 sums, so almost 100 sums I will add. How many you want, that many you can practice children. This is one variety, this is one variety, this is one variety, and this is one variety. One is between rational numbers, one is between like fractions, one is between unlike fractions, and one is between irrational numbers. I want you to insert rational number. These are the sums. Please copy down all of you fast. Copy down fast all of you. These are the sums you have to do. Copy down.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you explain certain rational numbers between two irrational numbers?
Yeah, no, wait. Yes, Nana, what is your doubt? You are asking something?
Sir, can you explain certain rational numbers between two irrational numbers?
I told you, no, between two irrational numbers, I told you, no, this one.
Sir, I did not understand that.
Okay, some more examples you want? Okay, I'll give some more examples. See, suppose 3.456 so on and 4.678 so on. Between these two are irrationals, between them I want 5 rationals. Okay, so 3.456 and between 4.678. 3.457, right? 3.458, right? 3.512, 3.513, up to 4.678, no? 4.671, 4.672, 4.673, up. So if you don't put dots, enough. Because if you don't put dots, these all are rational numbers. Between two irrational numbers, these are rational numbers. From here to here, you can write any number, but remember, you should not put the dots. That's all. If you put dots, then this will also become irrational number. That's all. Please copy.